Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to talk about what are vegan proteins and what you guys should be looking out for in your diet to get a fit body just like me. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment to this video. So today we're going to be covering what are legumes and proteins, as there are a lot of varieties of proteins available in the vegan world. So today I'm going to show you what are my favorites that I looked out for to make my body and my physique. The first option on the list is chickpeas, which are also known as Kabuli Chana in India. They are easily available in the market. They are fairly easy to digest and very easy to cook. You can add them to a multiple variety of food and they pack a lot of proteins. A 200 gram serving would get you approximately 42 grams of proteins. Now that is something which you guys should be looking out for. So the second option on my list is red kidney beans, also known as Rajma. They are slightly more proteins than the chickpeas. They are easily available in any region or market. And a 200 gram of serving will get you 43 grams of proteins. Plus, a big bonus on this one, they are low on fat and can help you moderate your sugar levels. My third option on the list are pinto beans, also known as white rajmas. They too are easily available in India and many other countries. They share a lot of similar properties with the red kidney beans and will help you guys with your weight loss programs as they make you feel fuller for longer periods of time. A 200 grams of serving will get you approximately again 43 grams of proteins. My fourth option on the list is baked beans, also known as navy beans. They are easily available again in many other countries and are very popular. They usually come in a canned form, but I do suggest that if you guys get your hands on them, please make sure that you guys get them washed thoroughly before consuming them. They usually come with a lot of sodium and preservatives, which aren't good for your health. Again, a 200 grams of serving over here will get you almost about 42 grams of proteins. They are a healthy option, but guys, just be safe. So my fifth and last option on the list is soy beans. They are also popularly known as soya and tofu. They are again easily available in all the regions and markets and have the highest amount of proteins compared to all the legumes and beans. But they do come along with a lot of fat. So if you guys are planning on consuming this, make sure you do it in a smaller amount of quantities. A 200 gram serving over here will get you almost about 70 grams of proteins. Now this is unbeatable. Whichever proteins that y'all choose from this list will be a healthy choice. It won't only just provide you with proteins for your muscles, but will also provide you with vitamins, minerals, fibers, potassiums, carbs, which will help you guys develop your muscles way faster than before. Now, no other protein in the world can provide you so much of nutrition along with proteins. So, to get you guys started, I'm going to link a few recipes below, which will help you guys decide how to make these proteins to your taste buds. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative. If you'll have any queries or questions, please let me know in the comment section below, where I will personally reply back to each one of you. So, as usual, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment to this video. Thanks.